Okay, in this video, I'm going to talk about how we get our footing and foundation plan that we're drawing for structural concepts onto an 11 by 17 sheet. So a couple things to know. It's already got a sheet, depending on what template you're using, it's already got a sheet set up. So I just drew something 24 by 20 just to get me something about the right size. If you look at this and you click the plus, it shows that the first floor plan's already on there. So let's go ahead and open this up. Unfortunately, it's not on 11 by 17, but that's fairly easy to fix. So we just go ahead and we click on that and we put it on 11 by 17 horizontal. Now, the problem is I'm seeing all those elevation views, which are worthless. Plus, this view is set up much bigger than it needs to be to get onto the sheet. So we need to fix that back in this one. And the way we're going to fix that is we're going to show crop region. And right now we want to crop the view. And then we can also hide these elevation tags because they are not needed anymore. So we're going to get rid of those. We're not drawing it in 3D in my case. So there's my crop region. Now, depending on how much text and annotations I have, I'll just crop this down a little bit here. No, we don't want to, we want to crop the view. So this should look like that, but we don't want to see it. So we're going to hit hide crop region. Now, see the crop, it's much smaller and I can just grab this now and move it onto my sheet. And when I moved it onto the sheet, you can see my little drawing title got messed up here. So let's take that. Now, when I click out of that and I click this, then I can move this individually on its own. Now, if for whatever reason so now if we need to print it, I'm going to go into architecture print, and you can adjust this. You could change this name. You could call it foundation plan, and you can put the class name and your name, however you want to do that. You can mess with that. So now to go ahead and print it. So we come in, we can just click on the printer button here. We want to go to T315 HP 5225. The first thing we want to check is to make sure that we're printing out only the sheet we want to select. So we're going to click on that. And if you didn't filter it, you're going to see this. So what you want to do is just show it the sheets. And then you want it to hide the unchecked views and sheets. Well, we don't want to do that yet. We want to select the one we want to print. And then we're going to hit select. Then we have to make sure our setup is okay. So the default is 8.5 by 11. So go to the drop down and find 11 by 17. Go to the zoom and make it 100% and make sure that it's landscape. The source, we're going to make it tray 2 because the printer has got a flaw in it. It doesn't automatically select the right page. Now we're going to hit OK. And we're going to hit OK and print. Please work.